Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lützen. I'm an agile coach and a facilitator. Today I will talk about ROTI, and if you like these videos, please subscribe and share. That would be super awesome. So ROTI is yet another abbreviation on return on time invested. And the idea here is at the end of a meeting or a workshop, we can do this quick ROTI. And you can do it in different ways. So often it's a 1 to 5, or if it's a fist of 5, then 0 to 5. And have people give a score. For instance, if we use fist of 5, then 0, or a clenched fist, being that this was a complete waste of my time. I see absolutely no reason for doing this again. And 5, being this was really great use of my time and we need more of this. And then on count of 3, then have people show, and then you can debrief a bit. It can also be that you draw a scale on a piece of paper and close to the door, and then people put a dot on how they saw the return on their time invested. It takes a couple of minutes, but it will get you some good data on did people see that it was good use of the time, because at least for me as a facilitator, the worst thing I can do is to waste people's time. I'm super curious to hear what tools do you use for this. And then, as always, if you have comments, questions, ideas, or feedback to these videos, please send me a message or write a comment. That would be awesome. Have a super awesome day.